All right, so welcome to this free traffic system review. Okay, so like you know already, we are giving out free traffic, okay, to our team members. So if you have joined our team recently, make sure, like today, some of you joined the team, right? So what you want to do, make sure that you send me your HBA affiliate link so that I can quickly add you to our team traffic system where we start sending free traffic, high quality free traffic to your link. All right. So we literally promote your link for you for free. And then we get you high quality leads, build your email list, and hopefully get you sale. Now, people keep asking me, why are we doing this for our team members? It's very simple, right? So we know that many of our team members are brand new, so we help them to start promoting their business so that they can focus on the HBA training and skill acquisition. So we want you to acquire that skill so that you'll be independent for yourself. So that's why we want to start promoting your business for you so that you can focus on the training. All right, is that not awesome? That is awesome. Now look at how much I have made already with this HBA business. Can you see that? $37,711. How do you like that? Look at that again. $37,711. Now I have to put out an FTC disclaimer, right? So let's do this right now. All right, because as you know already, okay, there is no guarantee of sale. There is no guarantee you are going to get the same income like me. There is no guarantee at all, right? When it comes to online business, okay? So you could make much more money than I have made, or you make less, or you make nothing at all. There is no guarantee. Right? Now, for you to make money online, it totally depends on your work ethic, your skill, your commitment, and your consistency. All right. Awesome. But look, when you join our team, we do this for all our team members, right? Once you join our team, all you have to do, just send me your HBA affiliate link and I will add you to our team traffic system where we start sending free traffic to your link. So you are going to get free traffic from us. We are going to get you free leads, and we are also going to build your email list for you for free. All right? And hopefully you start getting sales, right? But like I said, there is no guarantee of sale. No guarantee at all. Because look, we are not God. We are not divine. We are not in the mind of the buyers. We are not in the pocket of the buyer. So that's why we cannot guarantee sales. But as you can see that I am getting sales and other members of the team are also doing well getting sales. So your chances of getting sale with our team is very, very high. All right. Awesome. All right. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel or your first time of seeing my video, please do this to help this channel to grow. Okay, what you want to do, go below this video and click the like button, click that share button, but most importantly, make sure you click that subscribe button. All right, thank you for helping this channel to grow. Click that subscribe button right away. All right, so as you can see, with this online business called the HBA digital business, you can see that I have made over $37,711, and you can see my picture here. You see my name there, but most importantly, can you notice that I am all in? Do you see that? You can see that I am all in the HBA. Now, let me tell you a secret. If you are all in the HBA, you now have the potential to earn unlimited $500 commissions per sale Unlimited $500 commission. So you can understand why I'm doing well with this business, right? Because I am all in. So you get the secret, right? It's awesome. Now you'll be asking me, Victor, what is the HBA? So let's go to my notes quickly. Now, we call this business the HBA all-in-one $35 digital business. Why? Because it only costs you just $35 per month for you to be part of the HBA business. Just $35 per month, guys. That's why so many people are rushing in and cashing out very well. Now, the HBA is a software company. Their products include website building software and AI automation tools, okay? So with their software, you can build unlimited amount of websites and funnel. And look, you can build websites for small businesses, website for churches, website for charity organization. You can build website for anything with this software. So it's an amazing product, right? Now they also have what is called the AI automation tools that you can use to advertise your business online. It's powerful. Now another thing, the HBA offers daily life coaching and training with skill development. So you by going through their training and coaching, you will develop your skills in marketing. That's awesome. But how much does all this cost? Just $35 per month for you to be an affiliate and be able to use their software and other services. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Now, if you decide to be like me and you start recommending the products of this HBA online, this company will pay you 80% monthly recurring commissions for life. That means if you just get one person, you will keep on earning monthly commissions month after month, month after month for life, as long as that customer continue to use the company's product and services. Now, if you get 2 customers, you're already in profit, guys. It's powerful. But look at the sweet spot. If you decide to be like me and then you upgrade to an all-in member of the HBA, okay, you could potentially earn unlimited $500 commissions per sale, guys. $500 over and over and over and over again. That is why going all in is sweet. I tell you. But look now let me tell you the bonus part. If you decide to join my team, or let me say you decide to join our team in the HBA, okay? Now, all you have to do, just send me your HBA affiliate link and I will add you to our team traffic rotator system, where we start sending free traffic to your link for free. You're not going to pay us anything. We are just going to keep promoting your link every day continually. How do you like that? Also, awesome, right? So by doing that, we are going to give you free lead, build your email list, and hopefully get you sales for free. So that makes your business 100% done for you. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Now let me show you some of the sales that have been coming in. Let's go to my Gmail account right now, and then I'll show you how awesome this company and their product is. So let's do a search. Awesome. Now, can you see the way the sales have been coming in? Even today, we have been getting sales. Look at that. And look at all you are seeing from the HBA. Sale, 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 sale. Can you see the large number of sales that you could get when you join our free traffic system? Okay, so if you are ready to get started with our team right now, all you have to do is this: go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you go below the video, Go to that first link in the description that says step 1, join the HBA all-in-one digital business. So go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now, once you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. So what you want to do, you want to enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, enter your first name like that, then enter your best email address. Then you see the green button that says click here for free access. Go ahead, click that green button. Now, once you click the green button, that will take you to the HBA video sales page. So you can go ahead and watch this video, all right? But to join our team, come below the video. You see that small link that says click here to get started? Go ahead, click that link. Awesome. Once you click the link, that will bring you to our recommended product, right? And you can see it only costs you $35 per month. But wait, don't pay yet. Wait. You want to do this first. You want to scroll up a little bit and you want to make sure that you see my picture there and you see my name there as the one recommending you. Because you have to be part of our team. For you to send me your HBA link, for me to start sending free traffic to that link, right? So make sure that you see my picture here and you see my name as the one recommending you to this company and their product. So once you have confirmed that, scroll down to the recommended product. You are going to see this blue button that says start for $35 per month. So go ahead, click that blue button. Awesome. So once you do that, so now you can now fill up your details here and now you can pay the $35 per month and then your account will be created just like mine. Is that not awesome? Awesome, simple, straightforward. All right. So now the only thing you need to do next is to send me your HBA affiliate link. Now, where do you get your link? Very simple. You now come to the affiliate section, click on that affiliate section. Then you come to the left, you see affiliate fast start, click on that, and that will bring you to the affiliate fast start training, okay? So I highly recommend you go through this training, but to send me your link, come below the training to where you see your turnkey system is ready. So, and this is where you find your turnkey capture page link. So all you have to do, you see that box, click on it. It turns green. That means you've copied your link. Now, what you want to do is to send your link to me. Okay? Now, once you send your link to me, I'm going to add you to our team free traffic system where we start sending you free traffic. In fact, we start promoting your link from you every day, continually, as long as you remain a member of the team. Okay? Now, so let me tell you something. Our team free traffic rotator system, we send free traffic to your link. It will help you to get free traffic. It will help you to get free leads, and it will build your email list and make you sales and make you money online for free. How do you like that? So by joining our team, your system is now 100% done for you so that you can focus on the training and skill development in the HBA. So with the HBA, by joining our team, you don't need any technical skill at all, right? Because all you have to do, send me your HBA link. That's all. No technical skill required, right? Just sign into your account, copy your link, send that link to me. So if you don't know how to advertise, it doesn't matter, all right? Because we will advertise your link for you for free. If you don't know how to promote, it doesn't matter. We will promote your link for you for free. If you don't have money to buy traffic, it doesn't matter. We will give you traffic, high quality traffic for free. So by joining our team, there's no recruiting required, no selling, no telling, no calling. no experience required. And this is a worldwide opportunity. All right. So, like we say always, when you join our team, we will do all the work for you for free while you keep all the money for yourself for free. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Awesome. Now, listen, if you have any question about the HBA or you have any question about our free traffic system, you can leave it in the comment section. I respond to all questions. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.